Hello, it's Miss Esther, ready to introduce our new letter for today. Do you know what I brought? I brought my pet. It's found in the sand. Let's see if we can hear it make it sound. Listen. Can you hear it slithering in the sand? It's my letter S. For S, the snake. Say hello, letter S. Hello. Hello, S the snake. So with S the snake, she slithers. And as she slithers, she makes this sound. S. Pretend your hand is like a snake and making that slithering sound as it moves in the sand. S. Perfect. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna listen to part of the song, and your mom or instructor can read this to you at home. But let's do this right here.
As the snake says, as she slithers along the sunny seashore, looking for a spot to sleep. She slithers from side to side.
Again, ready? Make the sound. That's fun. You can do some more of that at home or on another time with your instructor. So, some fun things you can do with letter S are found in the Amazing Action Alphabet Activities book. Here is an activity. After you color your snake, and you can do it in a green, purple pattern, or whatever you choose, then you can put some Elmer's glue on the paper, and then you sprinkle sand on the top. And as you sprinkle sand, it will dry to the glue, and then you get some sand art, which is super fun. Remember, while you're sprinkling the sand, make that sound as much as you can with the sand. Then when you're ready to write it, in the Amazing Action Alphabet Beginning Handwriter book, you can do some rainbow tracing, starting at the head of the snake, and circle around to bring it up to its tail. And then maybe you want to do a blue, get a lot of different colors in there. Then, for those of you that want to do the snack found in the Amazing Action Alphabet Activity book, it's really fun to eat string cheese. Or right here, we have some dough. We've made some dough into the shape of the letter S. And as we cook the dough, it might be really good to eat with bread dough or cookie dough. Now, those of you that are ready to start the beginning reader book, the Amazing Action Alphabet Beginner Reader book, we should be on lesson 4 when it comes to S. So I'm going to do the phonemic activity right now. This is a big day for you readers. So right here, I have these lights. When your mom or dad and you're in the car and they're driving and they come to a red light, what do? They stop, right? I'm going to introduce you to a stop word. When you read this word, you have to stop. Don't slide the sounds together like you've done in the past. I want you to stop and just say it. Here is the word. This is the word. It's the. Put your tongue between your teeth and say this. The. Good job. So when you come to it, you don't sound it out. You don't slide the sounds together. You don't say ta, because that's not a word you've ever heard before. You just say the. So I'm going to put the word the under the red light. The other words can sound out. This is the word at. Okay, at, you can say really fast. We'll put the word at under the green light. And this is the other word in our story. We're going to slide the sounds together. Remember the top of the slide, Sam. Say it the fast way, Sam. We'll put that under the yellow light. So it might be fun to play this game with your parents or your instructor. They'll say, pick a card, any card. And then you pick a card and you have to say the word. What's this word? That's right, the. What color does the go under? Yep, it goes under the red light. You can remember where the other words go, right? Oops, that way. Once you've done this game, then you can color, and it'll tell you what to do here. You're gonna color the word Sam yellow, you color the words at green, and the stop words that don't sound out, the word the, you get to color red. And now you're gonna read the story. This is a story about Sam, and he likes to go to these special places. Do you like to go to the farm like Sam? Maybe you like to go to the zoo? Well, let's read about all the special places that Sam likes to go to. So we're going to point and read. Sam at the farm. Sam at the zoo. Awesome. You're going to love reading that story. And at the very end, you're going to answer the question, who is at the beach? I bet you'll know who's at the beach once you read that story. Now, let's review what we've talked about so far, okay? Big M, little m, Big T, little t, 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 t. Big A, little a, Big S, little s, s, s. Now we have some words that we know really well. Let's read our red word first. The. Good job. And let's sound out the next word that we're going to have memorized after this lesson. At. Say the fast way. At. Good job. So these books and more can be found at SeeHearDoCompany.com.